check engine light just came on.
That's Madeline Smith. Madeline wants a 1010 and she
Got a
gets a
check engine light now.
1015 at 66 miles.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one, as you saw, we before had some issues with the truck. So today we are going to be fixing those issues. Now, going into this, got a pretty good idea of what is wrong here, just based off the fact of the symptoms, which are a pretty bad misfire, and just the fact that it's at 85 or so thousand miles. Just time for some maintenance. So let's get that done, and we're gonna send it over to D&D Automotive, get some more work done. So thanks to those guys for getting us in real fast and when we needed it. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, got the intercooler out now. Gonna get it cleaned up. All right, guys, got the intercooler washed out. Now we're gonna move on to doing spark plugs. Okay, got intercooler back in, everything under it all put back together. Now we're gonna fire it up, pull it off the ramps, do the spark plugs. All right, guys, so we got a little step-by-step here. As you can see, that's the coil, what it looks like when we're done. First step is gonna be to unplug that coil. Pull out that red tab, and then you can pry on gray top of the plug right there. Come out, then you can unscrew your coil. Looks like that. So you pull it out, then you got your spark plug down in there. Get that out, and then since it's an aluminum head, we're putting some anti-seize, the fresh spark plug, and swapping the boots, which we'll show you here in a minute. Here's what I'm talking about, swapping the boots. Got your boot here that's on the end of the coil. Just take it off, put a little dielectric grease, the spring in there, and then you can put some dielectric grease in there before you put it on the spark plug. It just goes back in the hole, screw it in, plug it back in, spark plug change, done. Now to get this last spark plug off, there is a plug right here. It is this gray plug right there. Has this tab on the bottom back, press down, comes right out. You have to get that out to get the coil out. All right, here we go, first start, fresh plugs. Sounds good. All right, guys. Got the truck finished, running good, so we're gonna take it on a test drive now. All right, guys, truck made it home perfectly, nothing wrong, but that's not it for the work. All right, guys, so the next thing we got done, took the truck down to D&D Automotive to get the fuel system and transmission flushed. You've seen D&D on this channel before. Throw a card to that video up in the top corner. So took it down to D&D. They got us in real fast. Some great service, great people. If you ever need any car repair done in the Tucson area, go check out D&D. Throw a link to their website down in the description. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.